How to sign out Gmail in Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Westnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out of Gmail in Android phone. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple. It might be a bit tricky for you, however, so let me guide it through. First things first, what you can do is you can open up Gmail, and once you open up, you're gonna tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and you wanna head into this profile list. Here now what you want to do is, unfortunately there is no any option to log out directly in the Gmail application. However, what you can do is at the bottom you'll find manage accounts on this device option. Here you want to tap on it. Once here you'll be able to see a list of options that is available on your device. Simply tap on the particular Google or the Gmail account that you wish to log out or sign out, and then tap on remove account option. Once you do so, that particular account will be removed from your device and you'll get signed out from it on the Gmail as well. So this is the way you can sign out from Gmail in Android phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.